Hi, in front of me I have Huawei Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, swipe on the screen to scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll all the way down, find the about option and tap on it. And here find the option called, option called SN. This is the serial number, and we have it listed right here. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check the serial number in the phone app. So if we bring our watch right here, open the Huawei Health app on our phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we tap on Devices, or other devices icon right here. Then select the Huawei Watch GT 3 from the list of devices. Scroll down, tap on the device information, and you will see the serial number listed right here below the model. Okay, and that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.